My name's Greg Lavery. I'm an engineer. We started Rype 6 years ago. We offer high quality used furniture, remanufactured to as new condition.
Every working day, offices across the UK send 300 tonnes of office furniture to landfill. And yet, the ergonomic design of the best-selling office chair? Well, it's almost 30 years old. What if there was another way? What if office furniture could be half the price? And it had an 80% lower environmental footprint. And the money spent on it went into the local economy, rather than on virgin materials. This is remanufacturing, using innovative engineering to return used items into as-new, sustainable furniture, like this and this.
We have done over 200 projects for clients, including Mitsubishi BP, the NHS, JLL, British Land and various universities, and most of them are returning for more projects and furniture. These projects have saved over 1 million kilograms of CO2 and they have created 7,000 work hours for long-term unemployed people with disabilities.
It's just fantastic, it's wonderful. I keep saying fantastic because I'm just overwhelmed by it. When you go through this journey, you never think the same way again.
We're the UK's largest architecture and interior design practice. So we've introduced Rype to loads of major projects across our portfolio, and our designers really like them. They're really happy with Rype because they help us achieve environmental benefits, they help local communities, and they help our projects look great.
The UK market is worth £1.4 billion per year, and it's growing strongly post-COVID thanks to offices refurbishing in preparation to get their staff back into the offices, as well as landlords refurbishing and supplying furniture to compete against serviced offices, as well as the home office revolution creating a whole new demand for office furniture. Demand for our products specifically is increasing due to climate concern, as well as organisations trying to reduce their costs and legislation changing to introduce more sustainable solutions into buildings.
This is our pioneering 14,000 square feet facility in High Wycombe. The overall goal for the site is to make sure that we reclaim as much furniture as possible, reducing the amount that goes to landfill. We're developing processes here at Rype Office that have not been done anywhere else in the world.
Last year we increased revenue by 80% to 1.4 million despite COVID, and we were profitable. We're raising capital now to prepare for international growth, to take our first mover advantage into the global market worth $58 billion every year.
I invested 5 years ago, invested 4 years ago, and investing again.
I make a small number of earlier stage investments on a personal basis, but I really like what the founder's doing. And I've backed Rype 3 times now, simply because I believe it's a great business.
I invested personally in Rype back in 2016. What's particularly impressed me is that the business has done what it set out to do. It's grown a strong team and built a loyal customer base of top-tier clients.
It has a corpus of knowledge of intellectual property that has been built from its excellent execution. That corpus nobody else has, and it's really difficult to copy.
I like Rype's social values, most obviously expressed in employing people who find access to the labour market really difficult.
This is a fast-growing market as governments and corporates have become environmentally aware and increasingly are adopting carbon net zero targets. Rype's product allows their customers to achieve their targets while saving money.
I lead much of the research in the UK trying to make industry sustainable. And Rype embodies the smart, sensible, profitable way of delivering sustainability.
They've got a first mover advantage and the business is now at a really exciting stage to scale.
It's rare to find a solution that reduces greenhouse gas emissions as well as waste, creates social value and saves money for clients. That's what we do, and that's why customers are choosing us as their supplier of choice for office furniture. We'd love it if you could join our journey as an investor.